Welcome to Caregiver Relief. Today we are going to discuss American Standard walk-in tubs review. Imagine transforming your daily bathing ritual into a safe and luxurious experience with a walk-in tub. No more fear of slipping or awkward maneuvers, just a simple stroll and walk in the tub directly, sit down and let the warm water envelop you in comfort. A functional and safe tub with added safety features and comforts designed especially for you. Choose a walk-in tub that focuses on quality and safety to ensure a bathing experience that is simply delightful. Say goodbye to bath time worries. With walk-in bathtubs, you can enjoy a spa-like experience right at home, providing independence and top-notch comfort. A walk-in soaking tub helps alleviate the fear of falling in the shower while you address those aches and pains that we feel as we get older. So let's talk about the walk-in American Standard bathtubs. You can check out the American Standard's website to request a free installation estimate and discuss the various options to suit your specific needs. So if you're looking for the perfect walk-in tub, or maybe even a walk-in whirlpool tubs, consider these crucial aspects to make the best decision. First, the tub size. There are walk-in tubs that vary in size from cozy, shower-sized units to spacious bath. There's something for everyone and in everyone's budget. Remember to keep in mind your own dimensions, bathroom space, and specific requirements. Some options cater particularly to wheelchair users, lift devices, and bariatric weight issues, ensuring you find the walk-in tub tailored to your needs, above and beyond your standard walk-in tub needs. So let's talk about the pros and cons of an American Standard walk-in tub. The pros are walk-in tubs are a great way to age gracefully and remain independent at home. Walk-in tubs offer extra safety features that make bathing more comfortable for those with limited mobility or balance issues. Walk-in tubs also come with various options like water jets, aromatherapy steam baths, color light therapy, and air and water jets and more. The cons to walk-in tubs. Walk-in tubs are typically more expensive than traditional bathtubs and may require some remodeling of your bathroom space to install. Professional installation is required. Additionally, it can take some time to fill the walk-in tub up with water and even more time for it to drain. Walk-in tubs also require a lot of maintenance and cleaning to ensure they remain safe, hygienic, and functional. And I just found out you can actually order one with a self-cleaning system if the cleaning of the tub is a concern for you. Let's talk about the different types of American Standard walk-in tubs. American Standard offers a variety of different tub models to meet your individual needs. They provide functional and safe tub options for every budget. American Standard walk-in tubs have hydrotherapy massage jets, aromatherapy steam baths, and color therapy LED lighting for that luxurious spa experience. There are also various sizes available from small shower-sized units to spacious bathtubs. Additionally, American walk-in tubs offer options such as grab bars, a textured floor or non-slip for a non-slip surface, seat backs, and more for added safety and comfort while bathing. No matter what type of tub you're looking for, American Standard has something to fit any bathroom size, budget, or specific requirements. And with the right walk-in tub, you can enjoy independent bathing in a safe environment. So make sure to research the different models available and find the perfect walk-in bath tailored to your needs. So what are some popular walk-in tub features? Well, you want high quality products that last. The tub components may include textured floors to prevent slipping and sliding while bathing, whirlpool jets for a luxurious spa experience, safety grab bar and benches for added support and comfort, anti-slipping flooring to ensure your safety in the tub, seat backs for extra comfort while bathing, and color therapy LED lighting helps create a relaxing atmosphere in your bathroom. Leak-free door seals are really important, and handheld showering wands are an extra benefit that many will enjoy. Air bubbles and air jets are features that you can get with walk-in tubs. Who knew? Air bubbles are small air pockets that help to create a gentle massage sensation in the tub, while air jets provide more intense massaging action for a luxurious spa experience. An inline heater helps keep your bath water warm, so it's always comfortable when you step into the tub. And aromatherapy steam baths allow you to customize your walking in bathing experience by adding essential oils or herbs to the air bubbles in order to create a pleasant scent in your bathroom. All of these features come standard on American Standard walk-in tubs, providing you with custom comfort and convenience. So make sure you do your research on all the features available on American Standard walk-in tubs and find one that suits your individual needs. High quality, safe, durable, and stylish. American Standard walk-in tubs are here to help you age gracefully at home. So let's talk about American Standard walk-in air baths. I find this fascinating. The walk-in air bath is a great option for those looking to combine the benefits of a walk-in tub with the convenience and comfort of an air bath. With this feature, jets are placed strategically around the walk-in tub and blow warm air instead of water for a gentle massage sensation. Then there's the American Standard walk-in whirlpool baths. For those looking for a more luxurious bathing experience, try out the walk-in whirlpool baths. These tubs come with hydrotherapy massage jets that will help you soothe muscles while you relax in your walk-in tub. Then we have the American Standard walk-in air whirlpool combination massage tubs. If you're looking for the best of both worlds, then consider the walk-in air bath whirlpool combo massage tub. This type of walk-in tub combines both the convenience and the comfort of an air bath with the luxurious spa experience of a whirlpool bath. With this combination, you can enjoy a gentle massage sensation from the surrounding jets, plus added safety features like grab bars, seat backs, and textured floors. So are you looking to purchase and install an American Standard walk-in tub? Well, here are the top 6 tips for purchasing and installing your new tub. Research installation configurations. Depending on the type of home or building you have, there may be different installation configurations available. Make sure to do your research so you know what's best for your situation. You should be able to get a free in-home evaluation as well as a free installation estimate. Door and installation configuration should also be discussed. Remember, they also have outward opening doors in your new tub. Find out full installation costs. Many walk-in tub installers charge separate fees for full installation of a walk-in tub. So make sure to ask if costs included in the installation when shopping around. Check local regulations. Some areas require special permits or inspections before installing a new walk-in tub. So check with your local government to find out what laws apply in your area. Consider replacing your old tub. Before you purchase a new walk-in tub, consider removing any existing standard bathtub that may be taking up space and cutting down on accessibility. Ask about warranties and guarantees. Many retailers offer special warranties or guarantees with the purchase of an American Standard walk-in tub. So don't forget to ask about them before committing to buy. And check with your local Better Business Bureau to make sure the company you are considering has a good rating. Your goal is to find an organization with a history of great customer service. With these tips, you'll be one step closer to enjoying a comfortable and safe bathing experience with your new American Standard walk-in tub. Now let's talk about the luxury series right drain walk-in tubs. Many older adults have limited mobility or other mobility issues, so it's important that you find the right tub type for you. The luxury series right drain walk-in tub with a low step-in design may be just the thing you need. This walk-in tub includes an extra deep soaking tubs that will allow you to submerge your body completely in hot water. The low step-in design makes it easy for those with limited mobility or balance issues to enter and exit the bathtub safely. And with the 17 hydrotherapy jets, this walk-in tub also provides a massaging water jets that help soothe your sore muscles. And if you're looking for an upgrade in walk-in tubs, look no further than the American Standard Luxury Series right drain walk-in tub with the air bath feature. This luxurious walk-in tub is constructed from durable acrylic and includes a built-in seat and grab bar, as well as 17 hydrotherapy jets that provide a deep massage sensation for a relaxing bath. The air bath feature helps to keep your water warm and comfortable while also providing a therapeutic bubble massage. And if you want to make your walk-in tub experience even more luxurious, check out our luxury series right drain walk-in tub with the inline heater. This model features a built-in inline heater that maintains the desired temperature of your bath water and helps create a pleasant scent in your bathroom. The inline heater also keeps the water warmer for longer periods of time so you can enjoy a relaxing soak for as long as you like. It really, truly is a true spa-like experience in the comfort of your own home. Looking for a walk-in bathtub but not sure how much it costs? American Standard offers a variety of high-quality models that are reasonably priced to fit every budget. The cost of your walk-in tub will depend on the features and the size you need. They have standard walk-in bathtubs with deep soaking tubs to walk-in air baths. They even have outward open door options and a self-cleaning system option. Be sure to ask for a free estimate before committing to buy. They also offer multiple installation options and configurations that can help you maximize space within your bathroom. And with the plumbing and building products and bathroom fixtures available from their online store, you'll find everything you need in one convenient place. This has been brought to you by caregiverrelief.com.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an episode of Caregiver Relief. If you have any thoughts, ideas, or suggestions for future videos, topics you'd like us to cover, or even improvements you'd like to see on the channel, drop them in the comments below.